Hi, I am REVATHI. I am from Rajajinagar. Uh, I recently joined Qspiders in the month of August. I have completed my graduation in Bangalore University, that is Maharani Science College, with a 6.7 CGPA. After joining Qspider, my communication improves, and by doing a lot of presentation, my confidence also get increased. So Shankar sir will teach Java in very simple and easy way. How to write simple program. He will teach in very easy way how to write complicated program. Also, he will teach in simple way. So thank you, Q Spiders, and HR team, counselors, and all these staff.